are you hiding?
There's a bit of oxygen in this plant. This pufferfish helps me hold my breath longer. This empty bottle's still got plenty of air. There's still some air left in this plastic bag. Ginseng's packed with oxygen. Sorry, Gecko. I'm out of air.
Oh!